SepraLYTE liquid gas coalescers are easily assembled by sliding the coalescer media over the main core until it seats itself firmly on the knife edge of the end cap, and then fit and secure the bottom filter plate by hand tightening the two lock nuts at the bottom. Finally, screw the drain and sump onto the bottom of the main core, and the filter assembly is ready to be installed in the housing. When, as part of a scheduled maintenance program, it's time to replace the coalescer, you only need to replace the coalescer filter media, reusing all other component parts and significantly reducing waste. SepraLYTE liquid gas coalescer's small, compact vessel size makes it perfect for scalability. Its footprint is much smaller than alternative separation methods, such as gas scrubbers and mist eliminators, which require a larger footprint to maintain low-pressure differentials. SepraLYTE liquid gas coalescers can achieve the same result in a fraction of the operational footprint and initial capital cost. Contact Pall today to learn how SepraLYTE liquid gas coalescers can transform your operations.